Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen today, I want to talk a little bit about RCAT Holdings Incorporated. This is ticker symbol RCAT, and we're talking about this one not only because it is up 74% on the day right now as of the time I'm recording this video. The previous close on Friday was $2.40. Right now we're sitting at $4.20. So hey, we got some memes going on. We got some potential big gains, and right now this thing's headed towards the moon. And obviously when you see gains this big, people are going to be wondering what the heck is going on. Why is this thing popping so hot? But also, is it going to keep running? Is this a time for me to get in? Is it about to crash back down? Should I stay away from it? Should I short it? All these different things. So we'll kind of be talking about the news that has this thing popping, and maybe even talking a little bit about what this stock could potentially do going forward. So maybe you just have a better idea of what is overall going on. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. That would be absolutely awesome, running those numbers up, because I really think like 95% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And consider checking out the first link in the description below if you want to get a free stock just for getting signed up with Robinhood. With that being said, let's get right into this one. So for those of you that don't know, obviously not everyone knows about RCAT, kind of a smaller company, $216 million market cap. So we'll go to the Yahoo Finance page, the profile page. RCAT, together with its subsidiaries, provides products, services, and solutions to the drone industry. It also designs, develops, markets, and sells drones and related components through its e-commerce platform, RotorRiot.com. The company develops software solutions to provide secure cloud-based analytics, storage, and services, and offers DroneBox, a blockchain technology that records, stores, and analyzes flight data and information from a drone. The company is based in Puerto Rico, so obviously that's a little bit better idea of what is going on with this company. A lot of buzzwords there. Drones. We have e-commerce. We have blockchain technology. They're doing a lot of cutting edge things, a lot of futuristic things, a lot of things that, if done right, they have the potential to have a lot of growth prospects in the future. So that could be a big reason why a lot of people are excited about this company. But the big news coming out today is that this comes from SeekingAlpha.com. RCAT shares surged 47% after subsidiary receives 5-year contract with NASA. Obviously sounds like a very big deal, especially for such a small company. Again, just over a $200 million market cap. Long-term deal with NASA, that could really, move the needle for a lot of people, especially for a lot of investors, especially even if you're just speculating on how good this is going to be or how much it's going to mean. But we do have here, RCAT surges 45% at the time they wrote this. Again, we're up 75% right now. Skypersonic, its subsidiary, has been awarded a 5-year contract with NASA to provide drone and rover software, hardware, and support for its simulated Mars mission. NASA is preparing a series of analog missions that will simulate year-long stays on the surface of Mars, each of which will consist of 4 crew members living in the Mars Dune Alpha, an isolated 1,700 square foot habitat. During the mission, the crew will conduct simulated spacewalks and simulated operations by remote piloting Skypersonic drones and rover in a simulated Martian environment. Skypersonic's DroneBox real-time transoceanic remote piloting platform will drive the piloting of both the drones and the rover. So obviously this seems like a very big deal. You can tell investors are excited. The market is excited. Being up 75%. Obviously things are bouncing all over the place right now, but it's honestly so far pretty stable at these big upward movement prices. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Obviously, if RCAT is able to do a good job and NASA is happy with their work and they're able to provide quality services for NASA, they could get a longer contract. They could get a bigger contract. They could get an extension. They could also just continue to build their name and their brand to get further contracts and work with other bigger and just more organizations in the future. So this could be a very big deal. Obviously, NASA must believe in them. They must trust them. They must really like their work or where they're coming from, to be trusting them with such a big thing, with such a big task. And obviously, if this goes well, it could really help, the future of like space exploration and everything, but also could potentially make the company a lot of money, a lot of revenue, a lot of sales in the future, which is obviously what the investors and stockholders and everything care about. But exactly how valuable is this contract? How much revenue, how much sales, how much growth potential is this going to add? It's tough to tell at this moment. I mean, to me, it feels like it is very speculative. This feels like something that, after a stock goes up 71% in a single day, obviously it's got a lot of air, it's got a lot of room to come down, but yeah, it's hard for me to put an exact dollar amount value on this, and I think it's going to be hard for a lot of people as well. I think we're going to see this stock continue to be very, very volatile in the future. It's definitely going to be interesting to watch. At the time right now, RCAT as a company, they have, pulled out a little bit of gross profit over the last couple of years. And right now, their current quarter, they had a trailing PE of 1.12 with no forward PE. So, the expectations are really all over the place for this company. It's going to be very, very interesting to see what they have going on in the future. But yeah, for me, this is a tough one. I mean, personally, I'm probably going to be staying away from this one for the time being. I'm definitely going to be watching it, seeing what happens. But this news, it's really hard to judge. But dive into it yourself, see what this contract is, what you think about it, what you think about this company. Do some research and figure out what you think's going on with this. Do you think this has crazy potential from here? Because if you look at the year to date for the stock, very, very volatile. This graph is ridiculously insane. But, I mean, from year to date, this thing's up 49% where we're at right now. But, I mean, its 52-week highs were in July, and they were $7.75. So, if we get the very, very top, we're down 42% from their 52-week highs. But, again, we're up big on the year. So, this thing's really all over the place. It moves like crazy. It's popping up today. I could see it coming right back down. I could see this, over the next 5 years just having a continued run-up if this contract and everything goes well. So it'll be very, very interesting to see. But this is the news. This is what's going on. This is why RCAT is popping so big. So yeah, do make of that what you will, and make your own decisions. But at least now, hopefully, you have a better idea of what's going on. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about RCAT. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. Hopefully, catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.